안녕하세요. 저는 dolores 입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. I just wanted to show off my beautiful chopsticks. I just purchased them in a local Korean mart. Actually, it's not local. It's an hour away. I had to drive to Fresno, California to purchase them. My parents, I actually dropped off my parents at the airport. They're flying to Arizona, and then they'll be staying there for a while with my brother, and then they'll be traveling back to Mexico for a few months. So anyway, I always like to stop at the Korean mart when I am in town. And I got these beautiful chopsticks. Oh, I'm excited. And also, this beautiful spoon. Actually, it came with the 2 spoons and 2 pairs of chopsticks. So, yeah, sorry. It's my, I'm house sitting. And my friend's in Nevada, so I'm taking care of her house. And that's her phone ringing, her landline. Anyway, I watched a YouTube video, and because I don't know how to use chopsticks, I've never learned. I've tried, but I've never actually watched a video and tried to learn, and I did fairly well practicing, but now that I have to pick up food, I'm not sure how well I'm going to do. So, let's see, here we go. Go, see if I can do that. Look at that beautiful kimbap. That looks so yummy. Yay! I'm excited. Okay, that was really yummy. 너무 맛있어요. And now I'm gonna try to pick up some spicy squid. I didn't do too bad, but the gentleman on the video, it seemed like he was moving his index and middle finger, and I can't seem to move my middle finger and index simultaneously, so obviously I'm not picking it up correctly, but practice makes perfect, so I'll just keep practicing. One of these years, I'll learn how to use chopsticks. I need to learn because I want to go to Korea someday, God willing. And I can't go to Korea if I don't know how to use chopsticks. So, there we go. Look at that yummy squid. Oh, it's out of focus. Oh no. How do I focus? Ah. There we go. Yummy. Wow, that was so delicious. That squid is spicy, a little sour, a little sweet. It's just absolutely delicious. The ladies there at the Korean Mart are awesome cooks. And thankfully, they had squid. They had a lot of refrigerated foods. And right as I was leaving, the lady was cooking some kimbap. So this is fresh kimbap. It is so yummy. Oh, and after this, I am going to eat a choco pie. I don't think I've ever eaten one, to be honest. However, I did watch 고맙습니다, a Korean drama. 감사합니다. I watched a Korean drama called Thank You, and the 할아버지, he ate a lot of choco pies, so I'm sure it's gonna be yummy. I gave the rest to my brother. I actually kept 2, and I gave him the rest. And so anyway, I'll let you go. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. And sorry, I'm trying to blank. I'm tired. I'm on 4 hours of I'm on 4 hours of sleep, so I'm really tired. So anyway, I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna take a nap and then I'll clean up afterward. So have a wonderful day. Take wonderful care. Annyeong. Adios. Goodbye. Ja matane. Ciao.